Hi, Button Mash here, and today we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button? So, let's get into it. Be immortal, but stuck in the box that has no escape. Do the TARDIS! No. I don't think I'd do that. Well, okay. Stupid. You can have 3 wishes, but you can't wish for more wishes. You can wish for more wishes, and you can't wish for something that would change mankind. Okay. You try a drink, and it is the best thing you have ever tasted, but it is made from the urine of a rare animal. Nope. No. Just no. Well, you have your dream body, but getting someone to like you will be twice as hard. No. The king of pop comes back to life. But you are not allowed to listen to any of his music. No. You will get 100% in every class, but you can't have friends. No. You learn how to solve all of humanity's problems. But you can never tell anyone about them in any way, or you can't solve them on your own. Alright, so you get to live in your favorite video game universe, being whatever type of character of your making. You stay as a side character, and you will be completely irrelevant to the main characters. Alright, so I know I only did a few of them, but I guess that's it for today. I'll do some more another time if y'all like this. So, goodbye.